Today we're diving into something that's got me seriously excited. The SoundPEATS Air5 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. These are high-res certified buds with adaptive ANC, Snapdragon Sound, and a price tag of just under $80. Is this the budget king that's about to dethrone some big names? Let's unbox them and find out. Stick around because by the end, I'll tell you if these are worth your money. Alright, popping open the box. Nice matte black packaging. Feels premium for the price. Inside, we've got the charging case with the earbuds already nestled in. 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in small, medium, and large. Great for getting that perfect fit. There's a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and even some SoundPEATS stickers. No fancy extras like a carrying pouch, but at this price, I'm not complaining. First impressions? Solid. Let's get these paired up. Design-wise, these are sleek and understated in black. No flashy stems here. Just a compact in-ear fit that's super lightweight at only 4.8 grams per bud. The whole setup with the case weighs about 50 grams, so it's pocket-friendly. They've got an ergonomic shape with IPX5 water resistance, meaning sweat or rain won't kill them during workouts. Touch controls are responsive. Tap for play, pause, swipe for volume, and hold for ANC modes. Comfort? I wore these for hours testing, and they didn't budge or cause any ear fatigue. If you're into long listening sessions, these nail it. Now features. This is where things get juicy. Powered by Qualcomm's QCC3391 chipset with Bluetooth 5.4. These support multi-point connection, so you can switch seamlessly between your phone and laptop. There's a low latency game mode for lag-free gaming, which I tested with some mobile shooters. Audio sync was spot on, under 60 milliseconds delay. But the star? The PEATS audio app. It's intuitive. Customize EQ with presets like bass, boost, or classical. Tweak touch controls. Run a fit test. Even track the earbuds if you lose them. You can enable advanced codecs like LDAC or LC3 manually. They're off by default to save battery. Smart move. Adaptive ANC is claimed to hit negative 55 decibels, and wow, it's impressive for the price. I cranked it on in a noisy environment. Subway rumbles? Gone. Office chatter? Muted. It's AI driven, adjusting automatically based on your environment, and it's SoundPEATS best yet. Transparency mode lets in voices clearly without that weird pressure feeling. Compared to buds twice the price, like some AirPods alternatives, this holds its own. Not quite Sony level, but insanely good value. Sound quality, this is why you'd buy these. High-res certified with a 10mm biodiaphragm driver. They deliver punchy bass that's deep but not muddy, detailed mids for vocals, and crisp highs without sibilance. Testing with apps lossless on Spotify hi-fi tracks. It's like wired audio in your ears. 96 kHz/24-bit support, folks. LDAC shines on Android for that lossless vibe. I threw everything at them. EDM for bass drops, rock for guitars, podcasts for clarity, all aced it. If you're an audiophile on a budget, these punch way above their weight class. Calls? 6 mics with AI Inc. and CBC 8.0 tech. Make your voice crystal clear. I called a friend in windy conditions. They heard me fine, no echo or cutoff. Background noise like traffic was suppressed nicely. Not perfect in hurricane-level winds, but for everyday use, top tier. Battery life: 7.5 hours per charge with ANC off, and a quick 10-minute top-up gives 2 hours. That's clutch. The case adds up to 37 hours total. Charging fully in about 2 hours via Type-C, no wireless charging, but at $80, that's forgivable. In my tests, it matched the claims. Heavy use got me through a full day easily. Pros: phenomenal sound with high-res codecs, killer ANC for the money, comfy lightweight design, feature-packed app, and that battery life. Cons: no wireless charging, codecs need manual enabling, and the case feels a bit plasticky, not premium like high-end rivals. Compared to famous Earbuds, as some reviews say, these offer better value with more audio tech. Verdict: at $79.99, the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro are an absolute steal. If you want high-end features without breaking the bank, great sound, ANC, and connectivity, grab these. They're not flawless, but for most people, they're boss-level good. If you agree or disagree, drop a comment below. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.